Welcome to beautiful Cal-a-Vie in San Diego County, California. I'm here to take you poolside here in this beautiful setting to a short little Pilates, Mat Pilates session, and my name is Lynn. What you would need today, if you need something to put in between your knees, if you don't have a ball, you can use a towel or a blanket or a piece of paper even, just to activate the inner thighs. A block is great for your under your head if your neck tends to get tired in Pilates. That happens a lot. You can rest your head during the exercises. So let's get started. I always give modifications, so just go with what works for you. So just come onto your mat, feet flat to the floor. Then take your prop, your blanket, your towel, or a ball in between the knees. You're going to draw the navel up into the spine. Pilates breath is in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. It's audible. You can hear it. It's exhaling out any stress or tension in the body as you exhale. So hands behind your knees, plant the feet. Don't let the toes lift off the floor. Inhale, lift the chest, gaze up. And on the exhale, squeeze whatever prop you have, chin draws in, exhale. Go to the point where you feel your abs start to fire up. Inhale, you can use the arms to help you. And then exhale, push the air out, round, shin draws in. Now, if you want to go a little further, release the arms. Inhale, push the air out through the mouth on the exhale. Inhale and exhale. So just warming up the core. Inhale up. To get into the obliques, right arm, sweep it back, follow your gaze to the right hand, and then bring it forward. Inhale, exhale, left arm, sweep it back, gaze to your left hand. Inhale up, and again, exhale, twist, feel those side abs starting to fire up. Inhale up, exhale, left arm sweeps back. Stay here, you want more, lift the feet. Inhale, same thing, right arm back, and bring it forward. Inhale, left arm back, and bring it forward. One more set like that. Inhale, exhale, last one. Inhale, exhale. Now your feet are on the floor, more modified, or keep them here. Inhale here. Exhale, we're going to lower it all the way down to our backs. Bend the knees into the chest, rock side to side. We're going to move right into the Pilates Hundreds. Modify lower legs parallel or straight up to the sky. More advanced, you can have them straight, but you don't want your back to arch off the floor. So draw your navel into your spine. Your neck gets tired, you've got your block there, or you can have your head lifted off the block. We're going to do 5 inhales, 5 exhales, times 10, like you're slapping water. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. 4. Remember, modified here. 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, X, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, X, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest. Knees draw in, take out the ball. Good. Extending those legs long and stretch your arms overhead. If you have a block, remove it. The Pilates Roll Up, feet flex, reach long. First, create length in the body on the inhale. Then create strength, arms, chin. So a lot of you will just get to here. That's great. Inhale and then come back down. Or if you know the full roll up, you come up. There's a big beach ball on your legs. You want to clear that beach ball, arms up by the ears. Inhale there, creating the Pilates C curve. See the letter C. And then exhale, exhale, peeling it down, vertebrae by vertebrae, all the way down. Inhale, reach back, lengthen first. Soften the ribs. Exhale, arms, chin. So remember, you can stay here or come all the way up, or maybe have your hands behind your knees to help yourself up, and then come straight. Inhale, and then exhale, exhale, and peel it down. We'll just do one more. We're going to do 2 though, one-legged roll up. Inhale, reach away. Exhale. This time the right leg floats up. Pause, and then exhale, lower it down. Modified inhale. You're just going to come up with your shoulders clear of the floor. And then exhale. And then just bring the knees into the chest, rock side to side. All right, we're going to do the Pilates single leg circles. So more modified, your left foot is on the floor. That's going to anchor your core a lot better than with a straight leg. Straight leg is more advanced. Right leg, point your toes, palms by your side. You can have your block under your head if you like. Tummy in. Now think of an imaginary glass of water on your tummy. So you want to keep the hips still. Just the right leg moves. So counterclockwise. Inhale, first half of the circle. Exhale to the top. It's not a large circle. It depends on your core. To keep yourself stable, you'll have to do smaller circles. So it's not the size of the circle. It's how still you keep the hips. In, exhale. Slight turn out, reverse. In, full stop. 1. First half of the circle on the in. Exhale to take you to the top. In, exhale. 2 more. 1 more. Hold the leg at the top and then just reach, give it a little hamstring stretch, nose to knee, inhale, and then exhale, release other side. So again, modified right foot is on the floor, will anchor you more, or leg is straight, point your left toes. Activate right leg, shoulder blades plug down, palms down, point your left toes. Here we go, in, first half of the circle, exhale to the top. 1, in, 2, in, 2 more. 1 more, in, exhale, slight turn out, reverse, in, X1, just 2 more, exhale, and 1 more, exhale, and then a little hamstring stretch, lift up, nose towards knee, inhale, exhale, release, knees draw in. Let's go into the abdominal series with single leg stretch. Your left leg extends. Right hand, right ankle, left hand inside of right knee. Remember, you have your block under your head if you need to. Inhale here, exhale, switch. More modified, higher legs, always easier. Here's your most modified. As you go lower, more advanced. So you go where you can keep your back down into the mat and you're still challenging yourself. Reach. Now there's an imaginary doorbell right beyond the toes. Can you reach for that doorbell? So we're lengthening and we're strengthening. Pilates is all about long, lean muscles. Inhale, exhale, 1 more set. Exhale, and then release. Bring knees into chest, and we'll do a double leg stretch. So here you'll need your prop, your blanket towel. If you have one of these bender balls, great, or use a block. Again, neck gets tired, your block is there. Or curl up. Arms and legs reach your way, double leg stretch. Reach, exhale. Same rule applies. Legs straight up to the sky for more modified, lower, harder. Exhale. Lengthen the abs, strengthen the abs. 4. Use the breath. Inhale, exhale, in, and 1 more. Exhale, and then rest. Take out the ball and just rock side to side or do little circles one way and little circles the other direction. And we'll go into the next one in the series, single straight leg stretch. Flex your right foot, point your left toes wherever you can reach, just below the knee or even above the knee. Flex the right foot, point your left toes. 2 pulls. Exhale, switch. Flex, flex, and point. In, switch, exhale. So get a bonus hamstring stretch in this one. 2 pulls, switch, modified. You won't go as low, just a little shorter range here. Harder as you take one leg closer to the floor. 3 more sets. 2 short inhales, 1 long exhale. And 1 more set. Exhale, exhale, and then rest. Take the knees, draw into chest, rock side to side. Maybe a little happy baby stretch here. Bending the knees side to side. And then we'll go into single leg hinge. Legs are straight, hands by your side, or lift your hips up and take your hands under your low back like that. That will just create a little extra cushion for your back. Tummy in, shoulder blades plugged down. Right leg lowers, inhale, so more modified, harder, harder, hardest. From your abs, pull the leg up. So pretend you have no muscles in your legs. Your abs are lowering the leg. Your abs are lifting the leg back up. So remember, modified here. In, exhale, inhale, lengthen, exhale, strengthen. Still need more modified, bend the knees, tap, in, and exhale. This is just as good. Take any stress off the back. Exhale, and 1 more set, tap, and exhale. And last one, inhale, and last one, exhale, and take a rest there. Taking your feet toward off the mat so your inner arches are just outside your mat, and just do windshield wipers. Drop one and then the other, just back and forth. Okay, and then we'll go into the water wheel. So with legs straight up to the sky, on your back easier, harder up on your elbows. Okay, and then you just want to squeeze a towel or whatever you have in handy or nothing at all. Flex your feet, lower on the inhale and then point on the exhale. Flex and point. And inhale, lengthen, strengthen. Notice how the exercises are lengthening and strengthening. So not crunches where we shorten up the abs, we're lengthening and we're strengthening. Reach out, inhale and exhale, and one more. And then exhale, knees in. We got to reverse that. Scoop up, like you're at the beach and you're scooping sand up into the sky. Modified, smaller circles to the ceiling. Inhale, maybe you're halfway. Exhale, go with what works for you. Remember, you can be totally on your back, on the elbows, a little bit more challenging. And one more inhale, and then one more exhale. Rest, knees draw in, and just rock side to side. We just have one more in the abdominal series, going into the obliques. So we worked a lot of the transverse abdominis and rectus abdominis, now the side abs. Hands behind your head, extend your left leg, higher to the ceiling, more modified. Left shoulder towards right knee, inhale, exhale, bring it back in. Inhale, exhale, twist. So it's not fast, it's slower. Slower is harder. Higher to the ceiling, again, more modified. Exhale, and lower for more intensity. Really twist from your torso. You want to fire up those side abs. Exhale and twist, reach, and exhale. And just one more set, twist and reach, and bring it in. And one more twist, and bring it in, and then rest. Just butterfly your feet. Take out a block if you have it, and just stretch your arms behind you. Inhale, so work the inner thighs a lot. So just press the knees towards the floor, and just reach for your elbows or your wrists. Take a big stretch there. Inhale. And then exhale, extend your legs. We're just going to roll up to seat, stretch away on the inhale, and then exhale, roll up, come up and over, soften the shoulders, chin draws into the chest. Take a couple breaths there, stretching out through the back of the body. And then inhale, come up, and then just come into tabletop. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Want to just stretch the back. Oops. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. We're going to drop the belly. Inhale as you look up for cat pose. Exhale, cow pose, cat pose. Pull the tummy in. Inhale, cow. And exhale, push the floor away for cat. And just one more inhale. And then one more exhale. And then just a nice stretch for the back. Left leg back, right arm forward. Still working the core here. One breath. And then exhale, release. And other side, right arm, left leg, stretch out. And then exhale, release, and just sit towards your heels. Thank you, everyone. You did great. There's your traditional Pilates session for you, and hope to see you again soon. I'm Lynn, again at beautiful Cal-a-Vie. Thank you.